Hope you can see the screen, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Like let's take an example. This is the navigator tool. If you want to go to any particular place or any particular point in the application, you can just go through the navigator and you can search here. Or else
Okay.
we have another advantage called search bar. Just by
Mm.
clicking here, we can go all our details. Let's see. Yeah. If you want an personal info, here it is
Mm.
personal everything that's
Mm.
related. They were segregated into different levels based on the requirements.
Okay.
If you want to hire a new person, you can't, you never want to go through this navigator, then clicking on show more and going to new person, adding a person, doing such things would be big hectic every time. So
Okay.
such that you can directly go here. Then this is the home icon which the brief you, like if you want, you are at the different level of the application, you directly want to move to the main desktop, then you can
Mm.
directly click this. Let me show an example for this as
Mm.
well. Like you are implementing something and you instantly remember that you want to get the details from the main page,
Mm.
and then directly you can click on this and you will be redirected to the home page.
Mm.
And this star includes its and favorite or and recent activities that you did in the application.
Okay.
And this is a watch list, like what you did recently.
Okay.
Let me show you stuff. Like here you see we can add what the recent module we worked on. And there would be two options, recently items. This was your favorite, like we are the recent item we have gone through the overview, like we are using it now.
Mm.
Yes, this is a notification. For example, let me show you. Yesterday I changed few things, like see the password, changed password.
Mm.
It shows like someone has changed or some approvals, you raise something and some approvals has been made. Everything
Okay.
will be get notified here.
Mm.
This dashboard we can customize. Hope you remember, previously
Yeah.
we can see a number of things here,
Mm.
but now we can just see personalized. Like you want personal information and about your team or something. Like let's take my CV. Like you need in my not in my team. Like you would want to see your personal information. You need to see your CV, and then you need what your learning modules and what your time and absence, and you have some tasks to be done within the week or month that we can do, and just click on save and close. Please note everything would be clicked by the end. If you want to complete a task successfully, save and close is a mandatory thing.
Okay.
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 Yes, like here, if you can see there is a drastic change in the application view.
Mm.
Yes, this is what about the application. If
So
you
this
everything,
task, yeah. So this in this
sorry?
checklist task, can you give the dates like why, what time you need to complete kind of thing?
Yeah, this we'll get into this next level.
Okay.
First thing, like I'm explaining you this what is the interface, how it looks, and how you need to use the application.
Got it.
The things that are present on the navigator bar, which each and every line and statement, I mean each and every task will be placed here itself as well. Like let's have you, if you notice in
Mm.
the navigator, there would be me. Like, let me show you just so that me, my team, procurement, my client, help desk, so everything. So even
Mm.
you can get all this here, my procurement, my client, help desk, reporting, everything. If you
Mm.
if you want, this is what we get. If you have included everything, then this. If you add more, if you want to add more,
Mm.
like only business, like we can create here. Like see, the configuration is previously there is no configuration on the list. the
Mm-hmm.
which we have seen. If you want to add some configuration, let's say one from configuration and one
Mm-hmm.
from corresponding as is mentioned or something, and
Mm-hmm.
others we can say. And by this we can just save and close.